Today I am sharing some Valentine's Day gift ideas, basically DIY gift baskets themed around, your special someone in your life. These ones are kind of geared towards men, but honestly you could just do this with anything. One thing I wanted to put a caveat around this is that I usually would pair these with some sort of gift card. So while the gift basket kind of looks empty, I would pair it with a gift card that kind of goes with the theme. So our first one is like a Hag theme gift basket. So it's all around comfort, all around cozy, all around natural elements, fire, succulents, tea, socks, whatever you want to put in there. And then maybe you want to pair this with like a spa gift card or something. The second theme is for like the gamer in your life. I'm guessing he might like to go to the casino, he might like to watch sports, whatever it is. Give him some chips, some pepperettes, and then maybe the little can of Crush for Valentine's Day. I thought that was cute, got a crush on you. And then maybe you want to pair this with like a gift card for either like his favorite sports team or like an iTunes gift card. I don't know, something that he could get games with. Maybe not iTunes, maybe like, I don't know, PS3, something or other. Anyway, then for the last one, it's for the handyman in your life, and it's basically just some tools and a can of beer, and then like salon paws. I put that in there because it really does help your aching muscles after a long day on the construction site, or even just doing a small job at home. Those are just really great for those achy muscles once in a while. And then I would pair this one with like a hardware store, Home Depot gift card. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed these Valentine's Day gift ideas. Let me know in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.